Adequacy Decision. An adequacy decision declares whether a non-EU country has adequate or sufficient level of protection for individual rights and their personal data. Certain factors are considered when deciding whether a non-EU country should be declared adequate to allow data transfers from the EU. These factors include whether the data protection practices in that non-EU country are backed up by that non-EU country's data protection laws and regulations, whether they are at least as strong as the EU's. Thus, personal data can flow from the EU to that non-EU country without any further permissions being necessary. In other words, the transfer is treated the same as if it were within the EU. So the first thing to consider for an international personal data transfer is whether there's an adequacy decision for the receiving country. We have 14 countries declared with an adequacy decision. Here's the current list. We have Andorra, Argentina, Canada, Faroe Islands, Guernsey, Isle of Man, Israel, Japan, Jersey, New Zealand, Republic of Korea, Switzerland, UK, US under the EU-US Data Privacy Framework, and Uruguay. Note that at any time, the list of the countries can be amended or withdrawn by the GDPR.